Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 22 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we will be visiting exercises 29 and 30, which are again inversion pairs. So we're practicing top to bottom octave and bottom to top octave. It's the same exercise but inverted. And this exercise is going to be using the principle of legato going into coloratura.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
What's very important as we go into the next few exercises is that we learn how to start moving the voice after we've sustained it. So when doing this type of work, you can tell if you're engaging any extra musculature going into the coloratura section because you will feel maybe a change in breath pressure. You'll feel an engagement of the tongue or of the jaw, and that maybe you need to alter the function in some way to go from legato singing to coloratura singing. Not that coloratura is non-legato, but I just mean like slower sustained singing into movement. So if you notice the changes there, you're going to want to look at the big structures. You don't change your breath pressure. You don't engage the back of the tongue. You keep the big structures away, right? So that the voice can move and jump between the pitches as it needs to without any effort and constriction from you. So let's get started. We're going from quarter note to quarter note and then into sixteenths. So, let's work from the top to the bottom and back up again. So we've got now one thing I want you to be aware of as we're going from the top to the bottom, don't let the position fall, okay? That position stays consistent.